Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Marcus, for those who are new to our channel. Okay, just to introduce ourselves, I'm a concept of price. And concept of price, we don't believe in just conducting a course. Okay, what we believe is to have a program for our members. Okay, this program is what we call a mentorship program, right? Now, why is it important to have a mentorship program? Many people have feedback to me over the course of the years that they have attended other courses before, many other programs before, and a lot of times they find that there's a lack in follow-up, lack in after-course support, and they are left to be floundering in their, to make the mistakes and go through the hard way of learning their mistakes, learning from their mistakes. Okay, to me, mentorship program is not just conducting the course and let my members go out there to make the mistakes themselves, to flounder on their own, but being able to guide them step by step, okay, through a series of key elements in this under this mentorship umbrella, how we help them to progress, how we help them to be consistent, and how we help them to be profitable in their trading. As I mentioned, a mentorship program is not just just conducting the course itself, but it comprises of some elements. Okay, for me, it's the concept of price. Under the mentorship system, there are three main elements. One is the trade log, the other one is the live chat support which we provide, and the third one, which is the coaching session. I shall go through each of these three briefly. Right. Now, the first one, let's take trade logs. I encourage my members to send me their trade logs. What they do is very visual. They take a trade, they mark it on their charts, enter strategies that they use, the entry price, the stop price, and just do a screen capture. At the end of the night, regardless of how many trades they have taken, they do a screenshot of each of these trades and submit their logs to me. Now, what I'll do is I'll download, all right, I'll go through their trade logs, and I'll usually return with my comments, whether it's good or bad, all right, within the night itself. Okay, so this is an example of a trade log. Okay, for example, a trader took a trade here, a short trade here, got her profit. Okay, second trade here, that was the first trade. The second trade was here, right? She took a long trade here. Again, she hit her profit. Okay, and the third trade was here again, another short trade. So she did three trades on this particular night itself. She did three screenshots, submitted to me, market, returned to her, right? Now, this trade-off is important for our members because what if you have taken a trade which turned bad? Do you know what your mistakes are? Do you know where you have gone wrong, or is it just a bad trade? Okay, so I'll go through it, make sure that they took the trade according to all the parameters and give them my feedback. So this is a way in which they are able to be constantly reminded, okay, through their trade logs, so that they don't repeat the same mistakes again. Something visual for them, they can see and they can take a trade. Example of somebody who has benefited from this trade log, this lady here, Rebecca. Okay, this is what she has said to us in a short testimony here. A commitment to check each individual trade logs. Okay, and she definitely recommend COP to anyone who's looking to trade the S&P 500 index. Okay, I mentioned the trade logs. The second element under this umbrella of mentorship program is a live chat, right? During trading hours, when we are trading the live market, we do provide a live chat room for our members. This is where members can actually communicate with us, to chat with us, and we will reply to them. Okay, if it's not me, it will be my two other colleagues, with Chris and Sandra, who will reply to them. I think this cuts short your learning curve, isn't it? Right? If you are able to get somebody to address your question or your doubts or something you see on the screen live, or whether you should even take a certain trade or not, I think this is helpful. This will actually speed up your learning process. In a chat room, we do sometimes prompt you guys about whether to take a certain trade or not, when not to take a certain trade. For example, based on our years of experience, we see the market is not heading um, uh, maybe heading into a reversal, let's say, for example, and we actually prompt our traders not to take certain trades. Okay, so example of our chat room is this, where we will post out our charts. I'll post out all valid trades that has been marked as and when as and when requested, and I'll post it out. Right, so this chat room is actually helpful. Once again, it actually cuts short your learning process. Okay, and it provides immediate, okay, and very quick response to your questions. Well, the first two elements, well, let me repeat, one's a trade log and now it's chat room, as we have seen. Well, these are more of a remote, we are using technology to help us, right? Emails, chat room, etc. But I think what is actually more important is an element of personal touch to it. And I like to do this, and we have introduced this since day one, what we call personal coaching, right? A coaching session. What we are doing is very visual, okay, and sometimes it's actually more helpful and quicker even, okay, to sit down face to face for a session to clear out all your doubts. Now, all these are part of the package, okay, part of the program. All our members can take advantage of it, okay, and they can benefit from these coaching sessions. All they need to do is to give us a call, arrange a session with us, and either myself, Chris, or Sandra will actually meet up with them, okay, to go through with them. So we have a personal coaching session. It's usually on a one-to-one basis, right? And this actually helps clear out a lot of doubts much faster. And through this process, through this personal touch even, we have actually, most of our members have actually become our friends as well through the years, all right? So this coaching sessions is unlimited, all right? It's FOC, and I find that having this system in place, having this mentorship system in place, where we incorporate these three elements, it actually helps our members to progress at a much faster pace, right? They are not hesitant even to communicate with us. They pick up faster. They build up confidence much faster in that sense, right? Many of our members have in the past attended many other trading courses. They have spent lots of money. Some even spend more than $10,000, $15,000 attending various courses. And a lot of this has left them frustrated because there's no proper follow-up, no proper mentorship, no proper guidance. They sought help, but they couldn't get the help that they wanted. Finally, when they came to us, they undergone our program. This is what they really appreciated and cherished about Concept of Price, that we have actually provided a personalized touch to it. Coaching sessions, the trade logs, all this actually enables me as a mentor to actually able to guide them step by step, very logically. Okay, and it's really a joy to see them progress. It's really a joy to see them, enjoy trading. Okay, and able to make a good, good income. Okay, side income from it as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you would like to know more, do feel free to drop us an email at info@conceptofprice.com, or even pop into our Facebook account, right? Just search for Concept of Price, we are there. Okay, so I thank you very much for watching our video. Okay, so I hope that it has benefited you in some sense, giving you an idea of what our program encompasses. Do leave a comment below. Let us know what kind of topics you would like to see. Remember to subscribe to our channel, okay, and click on the notification bell below for more. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.